Welcome to this Fundamentals Lesson Plan series on roofs, layout, design, and editing. In this video, we'll take a look at creating a new roof style and then applying materials to layers of that roof style. This is video 7 of 9. My name is John Harridge, and I'll be your host for today's lesson. Let's review the learning objectives for video 7. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to assign a new roof type to an existing roof element, create a new roof style type, add material layers to that roof type, and then assign material layer properties. With that, let's get started. Let me begin this exercise with an instructor preview of the goal of this exercise. We'll be focusing on the roof over the garage. We'll create a new type, create new material layers, and assign properties to those material layers to give a surface appearance to that roof. We'll go ahead and close this out. Again, this was an instructor preview. Next, we'll go ahead and begin the hands-on exercises together. Let's begin this exercise by opening up an existing project file. Go ahead and click Open, browse out to your tutorial directory, and let's open up the Roofs 07 exercise project file. We start from the 3D view of the residential house that we've been working through in the previous exercises. Let's go ahead and orbit the model so we can see this from the front side. The first task is showing you how to assign a new roof type to the main roof of the house. So let's go ahead and select the gable roof over the main part of the house. And in the type selector, let's go ahead and give it the assignment wood rafter, 8-inch asphalt shingle insulated. So that's how we can do a substitution in place once you know exactly what type of roof construction that you want to use for your project. Now we'll continue on. We'll do something similar for the garage roof, but this time we'll actually create our own roof type. So let's click on Edit Type, and we'll duplicate this to create a new roof type. Let's go ahead and give it the name Clay Tile. Click OK to continue. Next, we'll edit the structure of the roof, so click on the Edit button next. Let's go ahead and insert a layer. And let's go ahead and hit the up button to move it into the core boundary area. Let's go ahead and left click in the material field for structure 1. And click the browse button. And let's go ahead and look for the material masonry tile in the left window. So once you find it, go ahead and left click to select it. Next, we want to modify its surface pattern property. So left click in the pattern field for surface pattern. Let's scroll down until we find the shake pattern style. Now, I made a mistake from the standpoint that we're looking in the drafting pattern types, and what we actually want is the model-based pattern. So at the bottom of the dialog box, you'll see the pattern type. Let's go ahead and choose model and scroll down, and now we should be able to find the shake pattern style. Go ahead and left click to select it and click OK to continue. Click OK again to dismiss the material browser Let's go ahead and assign a thickness for the material tile. This will be 6 inches. Let's go ahead and type in 6 inches and the Enter key. Next, we'll move on to layer 3. Let's go ahead and give it the function of thermal air. For the material property, click on the browse icon once again. And let's look for insulation, thermal barriers, rigid insulation. Go ahead and select it once you find it in the left window. Go ahead and click OK to accept and dismiss the dialog box. Again, let's finish this up by giving it a thickness. We'll go ahead and give it the value of 2 inches. So enter in 2 inches and hit the Enter key to accept. We're done, so let's go ahead and click OK to continue. Click OK one more time to dismiss the Type Properties dialog box, and now you should see the shake surface pattern on the roof. Let's go ahead and do a file save as to end and conclude the lesson. Give it the name Roofs 07 exercise finished. Click save after you give it a name. And let's go ahead and take a look at next steps. Let's review the learning objectives for video 7. In this lesson, you were able to assign a new roof type to an existing roof element. Next, we created a new roof type, added material layers to that roof type, and then finally applied material layer properties to it. With that, let's take a look at Autodesk resources that are available to you. I would like to make you aware of 2 Autodesk resources. The first resource is the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators for titles like Autodesk Revit featured in this series. The website address is www.students.autodesk.com. Registration is required to access the free software using either your personal email address or your school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, and entertainment. The website address is www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. Registration is required to download the free learning resources using your Autodesk ID created from the Autodesk Education Community. You will find the Fundamentals of Architecture series under the Subject pull-down menu, Architecture link. Assets include step-by-step instructions, datasets, and videos. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.